guys, welcome back. So we are still busy with trimming all the trees on this site for this client of ours. We have only this massive tree left. We are finished with all the other trees, as you can see there on the perimeter. Those are very little of them. There's a lot more down the other hill and in front of this farm, but now we have this big one that we need to get rid of. So we're first taking off all the weight on it, but yeah, I'm not sure yet. This tree is hanging at a different angle to what we want, and there's electric fencing and some vineyards here very close by, so I'm not 100% sure yet how we're going to handle this. So we're going to see once we take all the extra weight off the sides, we're going to see what happens with it, and also depending on the wind and all of those kind of things. But I'm pretty sure we'll get it done and we'll do it safely for sure, but there's always a lot of risk involved with these kind of jobs, obviously. Enjoy some more footage, guys, and yeah, let us know what you think about this in the comments. You can't go there. You need to go there towards John in that area. And then if we want to do that, take this fence off, then we might need to keep this big one here. We take off those ones, but then we need this one for the weight to pull it this side. Otherwise, we take off all the weight on this side as much as we can. Okay? And then you go up as high as you can with the cherry picker. We put a chain around it that way, and then I go around with the bucky. We tie it onto the bucky, and then you go as high as you can for the chain. Then you tie the chain, then you go down with the cherry picker and you cut it wherever is the tipping point, and then I pull just the top off. You cut on this side, you're on this side, I'm on that side. You cut it and I pull it that way, just the top. And then we come down and do it block, 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 everything that way. Okay, so let's go up and we trim it on the way up. We trim it as clean as possible. Okay, we take as much weight off as we can. And then we see, as you go up to trim, we'll see how far you can reach. How far up the tree. The higher we can get up, obviously the better. Daar is ons probleem al klaar. Alright guys, so one truck was busy transporting some rubble and just cleaning up a site, and then the one rear wheel completely came loose. So that was a bit of a scary situation, but the guys are working at the workshop now here at the yard, and they're busy repairing that. So I'm on my way quickly to head to the town next to ours where I can find new studs, new nuts and the spacers that we need for the wheels. We don't want to take a chance with those kind of things, so I'm gonna go get all the studs, new ones, and the nuts, so we know that everything is sorted. Alright guys, so I'm heading to Paul quickly to go fetch these new parts, and then I'll be on my way back so we can get this truck fixed and back on the road. Alright guys, so we realized that I didn't record any info on the job I'm about to show you guys. So we are working on this one estate in our area. It's really nice. There's a massive spa, there's lots of wild animals, especially like springboks and those kind of things. No dangerous animals, just basically game that's really nice to look at. So the client asked us to come repaint the entire place for him, inside and outside. But the bottom floor of this house is all wooden floors, but the wooden floors was done the last time about 12 years ago, and the client does have quite a few other places that he lives in all across the world, so he doesn't see all these places all that often. But yes, so long story short, 12 years ago was the last time that these wooden floors were actually redone, and they obviously kind of need it. But there wasn't a lot of time because he's getting family from across the world meeting up here for someone's birthday. So he needed to get it done. And to do it properly, we need more time. So he asked us if we can do a really quick job, even if it's taking shortcuts. He just needs to look nice for the event, and then afterwards we can redo it. Now, actually, it's now after the event, and the floors are just so nice. We basically found a shortcut that works really well. So I'm about to show you guys some footage of us treating these floors and working with a polisher on it. It's just to show you guys the kind of place we're working at and what we do. I think it's very exciting. It was very nice working there, and also to gain the trust of this client, because now they know we are able to basically do anything, and we can work under pressure, and we are able to alter our ways of doing things. We don't just have one way of doing something, and that's what we stick with, and we don't vary from that path. So I like to be flexible. I like to take other routes, other options. I like to keep it interesting. So that is one of the main things why I do what I do, is just, you know, to keep stuff interesting. And that's also why I started this channel, because for many years I feel like we've done so many different things and I've missed out so much because we didn't film anything. Or maybe we'll have 1 or 2 short videos of what we're doing. But I think this is a very nice way for us to document what we're actually doing in detail and to share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it and you appreciate it. Oké, gaan ons beginnen met die olie. Ja. Die kleur van die hierdie moet droog word, maar hy sal ons nou droog word soos wat ons beweeg.
Smeer oral, hè?
Ja. Ek het gister wat ek gedoen het, is ek het gegooi en ons het met die vingers het ek net op die val gedeelte versprei, so 'n bietjie gelos het daar ons ingelê. En toe ons die polish in die masjien opgesit. Ja. En die was agterna gekom met die lamp en jy het dit so daai wag gekry. Yes. Ek dink ons moet vandag presies dieselfde doen. Okay dan. Oh, good luck. Don't wet this floor anymore. Okay, we're going to start with the preparing now. So you can do from that door that way, yeah. Thanks. Wat ek basis so, dan vry ek net so in. Versprei jy met oor die val gedeelte. Okay. Maar jy gaan ek gaan nog gaan gooi met die kolle. Ja. Ek kan jy hom so vryf. Ja, baie. Jy mag net sê as jy nog nodig het ergens. Ja, baie. Want hierdie byvoorbeeld is dit te min. Vir die area.
I know, it's snake lap.
What's a lap?
My snake lap.
Your snake lap?
Ja. What's
a lap of your snake lap?
Nee, dat is geen snake lap. Snake lap in de south.
Nie kast toe nie, nie kast toe nie. Hierso John, kom die kant toe.
Kom bulan amal holi. Amal holi tek des. Ya Rab.
That way.
Nice to laugh, eh? Yeah. I know you don't need to hold the jobs like it.